Hello everyone, this is Mike with Carolina Blue Smoke Barbecue and Outdoor Cooking. Today we're going to do a boneless turkey breast on the smoker at 275 degrees. Let's go ahead and inject this thing. We're going to inject it with some Tony C's Creole butter, one of my favorites. And then we're going to hit it with some Holy Voodoo from Meat Church Barbecue. Really love their stuff. They got some awesome rubs there. But we're going to inject this thing. Now, I bought this turkey breast at a Walmart, and it's about 3 pounds, maybe 2.5 to 3 pounds. It already has the netting on it, wrapped around it, which keeps it together. I like that. But we're going to inject these things, pump them up as much as we can, probably about 3 syringe fulls of it. Try to go in one hole and then work it around. But pump that thing up. I use an aluminum pan to be able to hold the mess. We're going to keep this bottle though once we finish injecting it, and we're going to baste this every 30-45 minutes. But let's go ahead and hit this thing with some Holy Voodoo, and I love this rub. It's an awesome rub, and we already got the smoker cooking a ham that we're doing a pulled ham. This is all for Easter, but my son absolutely loves smoked turkey. Our whole family does, and these taste great on like some good Hawaiian rolls or something like that. We'll show you at the end when we cut this thing up how beautiful it is. But let's go ahead and put it on the smoker and let's get this thing going. We're going to run it to about 150 internal temp. Then we'll wrap it and finish this thing off at about 165 to 170 internal temp. Depending on the temp that you got yours running, I was running this at 275. It's going to take about 2 to 3 hours, 2.5 to 3 hours, maybe a tad longer. Now, about every 45 minutes, I would baste this with the Tony C's Creole butter. And once I run it up to about 150 degrees, maybe a tad under that, I like to keep mine nice and moist. So I went ahead and wrapped this in aluminum foil, added a little more Creole butter to it, and we take it to 165 temp, let it rest for about 10 minutes. You could actually cut it off around 162, 163. The carryover heat will get it up to 165. All right, we hit 165 internal temp. We took it off, let it rest for about 10-15 minutes. All these juices right here, we want to save them for later on and pour them back on top. We're going to take this turkey breast, go ahead and get some scissors and cut this twine off of it. I actually took a knife right here, and you'll notice it'll leave some lines along the way. And this is what I was telling you earlier. Listen, this is not rocket science. You don't have to have these lines to cut up meat, you know, but hey, a little bit of a guidance there, especially if you're a newbie. And let's go ahead and cut this thing up. You'll see it's nice and juicy, and I'm telling you, this right here on some bread, some really good soft bread in itself is awesome. So let's go ahead and pour this juice back on top of it. Take a look at these, but I promise you, try this out. It's absolutely awesome. Your whole family will thank you for trying this out. But even do 2 of these. They're not that expensive. You can get them at Sam's Club. You can get them from your butcher shop and get a bigger turkey breast, but these are about 3 pounds each. A great meal and an easy cook. Thank you guys for checking out this video. Again, subscribe to Carolina Blue Smoke Barbecue and Outdoor Cooking. We cooked this on the 380X Bullseye from Recteq. We got a 700 as well. We also have a stick burner from Shirley Fabrication. But we are your barbecue, outdoor cooking, smoking channel. Thank you guys. Have a good one.